This video is brought to you by Structured Foundation Repairs, Dallas-Fort Worth's industry leader in foundation repair and drainage correction. This particular video shows the process of installing concrete pressed pilings, also known as piers, on a slab foundation. This job is taking place at a vacant house and is extensive, so we will be able to see interior and exterior work. In order to save time, we joined the job already in progress. The crew has walked the property and marked all the pier locations with painter's tape. The crew starts the laborious process of hand digging the holes where the piers are to be installed. Depending on soil conditions, digging times vary greatly from job to job. Holes are typically 2 feet by 2 feet in diameter and vary in depth depending on the size of the home's grade beam. The excess dirt is placed on plastic tarps near the holes. It is not uncommon for the piers to be obstructed by sidewalks, concrete patios, etc. If that is the case, the material is scored and removed with a jackhammer before the digging can begin. Holes on the inside of a property require more prep time. The furnishings need to be relocated, the flooring removed, and plastic needs to be hung to attempt to control the concrete dust. After the holes are dug, the crew starts pressing the precast concrete cylinders into the ground using a hydraulic ram operated by a gas engine mounted on a mobile cart. The weight of the house is used to press the cylinders into the ground, one on top of another, creating a concrete piling or pier. Epoxy and rebar are used during install. It is not uncommon for the structure to move up and down slightly or to appear to be rocking back and forth while the crew is pushing the cylinders. When the pilings reach refusal, the house will start to lift and the crew will then place a concrete top cap on the cylinders. A hydraulic jack is placed on one side of the top cap and the crew moves on to the next hole. After all the holes in that area of the home are pushed and ready, the crew will start pumping the jack in an attempt to lift the home. The crew chief will be in the home watching for signs of stress during lift. When he is satisfied with the lift, the jack is replaced by concrete cylinders and concrete blocks, and shims are hammered tightly into place to fill the gap. Once the house is either lifted or stabilized and the crew chief is happy with the new elevations, the cleanup process starts. The crew replaces the dirt in the holes, compressing it. All concrete is patched and shrubbery is either replaced or hauled off. Small mounds of dirt are left in each area of pier installation as some soil settlement will occur over time. If you have questions or concerns about your foundation and would like to schedule a free evaluation, call 972-484-1200 or visit our website at structuredfoundation.com.